Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. You see me with good hair today, then you know what this video is going to be about. So without no further ado, let's head to the tutorial. So guys, I'm done with the cornrows and I'm going to be showing you how to do the crochet braids. And before I start, this is the braid I used. You guys have seen me using this braid before. This is the Afro Twist Marley hair, and this is in color 127 because it's not completely black. This is my first time trying out this color, so hopefully it's going to turn out well. But I just did normal cornrows going towards the back. Another thing, guys, I apologize if my cornrows are really messy, because this time I just did them how I could get them as quick as possible. So my cornrows are not perfect. All you do not see the inside, we are seeing what is outside, and you guys are just going to be shocked at how this look is going to look. And I'm thinking of trying something different towards the end, so make sure you watch till the end so that you can see how I'll get this together. So yeah, let's start. So this is just one packet. I'm going to open the other one, but you can see I have like one line left, so I'm just going to be using like 3 strands from this pack, not too much. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I detangle the hair to make it look like this. If you want to use less packs, make sure you detangle your hair before crocheting. So I'm going to cut around here because we do not want it to tangle as we are detangling. So you can have 3 strands from one strand, especially if you're doing crochet at the front. It should be really thin, so you can end up using 4 strands from one strand if you're doing crochet at the front. So I have put the 4 strands aside because I'm going to be doing the front area. So around the other areas I'll be doing 2 strands from the one strand. Yeah. So sadly, this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you guys loved this video and found it helpful. So this is the Marley hair that I used on my other tutorial. I'm going to put a link on top here so that you guys can watch it again if you want to watch, but I decided to make it different this time because I had a different color and all that, so I decided to go a bit crazy with the bangs and all that, and I'm loving how this looks. It's so amazing and cute and all that. You can get the hair from Natural Hair Kenya. I used one pack and like 5 strands from the other pack, so you don't really need 2 complete packs, but if you want to go crazy with the volume and all that, you can use 2 packs and it's going to be enough for you. I'm just happy with my outcome on this hairstyle, so I'm loving this look. Let me know in the comment section on what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something that you can try out? And if you get to try out, you can also tag me on my Instagram and I will repost your work. And yeah, I have to sign out guys until our next video. Bye.